Your 2005-2010 Honda Odyssey key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool. Locate the seam on the side or back of the fob. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Start by inserting the screwdriver into the slot on the side and twisting it gently to separate the two halves of the fob. Then continue to work your way around the fob until the two halves are completely separated. You should now be able to see the battery, which is a CR2032 coin cell battery. Once the fob is open, note the orientation of the old battery with the positive side up. Remove the old CR2032 battery and insert the new one in the same orientation. Ensure it's a reputable brand like Energizer or Duracell to avoid leaks. Snap the casing back together, making sure it's firmly closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from 10 to 20 feet away. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity. If issues persist, reprogramming at a Honda dealer or using the vehicle's ignition cycle method may be necessary.